everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Nikki with MontanaCrochetCreations.com. Make sure that if you like this video, you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these fun tutorials. In today's video, we're doing video 3 of our beginner series, and we're going to be learning how to do a double crochet. So what I've done here is I've already created my chain. And if you don't know how, you can go back into our single crochet video and I will explain exactly how to create a chain. And we're going to chain 11. So what we're going to do, we're going to now start creating our double crochet. So instead of this first chain right here on the hook, we're going to double crochet into this second chain right here. So there's 1 and 2. So what we're going to do is we are going to yarn over and we're going to insert our hook into that second chain. So we've got 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through that first loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook still. So what we're going to do next is we're going to yarn over and pull through only 2 of those loops. So now we have 2 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over again and pull through both loops. So we have created a double crochet. So let's do this one more time. We're going to yarn over and insert our hook into this next chain. Yarn over and pull through 1 loop. So now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 of those loops. And we're going to yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. That creates our second double crochet. So let's do one more time. Yarn over and insert our hook into that third chain. We're going to yarn over and pull through that first loop. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through 2 of those loops and yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. So let's continue creating double crochet in every single stitch all the way across till we get to the very end. At the very end of this chain, we should have a total of 10 double crochet. Because remember, we skipped that very first stitch and started in the second one. So we should have a total of 10 double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, pull through that loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. So let's continue doing that all the way to the end until we are at the very end of our chain. And this is creating row 1, by the way. So anytime that you're working back and forth, you're working in rows. Okay, so we've got 3 more stitches left. So this is 8. Whoops. This is 8. We've got 9. And here is our 10th double crochet. So now what we're going to do is we're actually going to chain 2 for our double crochet. So we're going to 1, 2, and then we're going to turn our work. So this chain 2 right here does not count as a stitch. And so we are going to do our first double crochet of row 2 in this chain 2 space. And if you look, you can see that hole right there. So we're going to yarn over and insert our hook, pull through, and pull through. That creates our first double crochet. So next we're going to yarn over and insert our hook into this next stitch. Remember, make sure that you're grabbing that V that's at the top of the last row. So we're going to pull that through that V. We've got our 3 loops. We're going to pull through 2, and we're going to pull through 2 again. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, pull through 2, and pull through 2. So let's complete that all the way till we get to the very end of row 2, and we should still have a total of 10 double crochet. So we've got, this is 8 coming up. We've got 9. And then we've got our last stitch here. And remember, we did that chain 1 at the very beginning. So we want to make sure that we don't single crochet or double crochet into that chain 1, which is way down here. We want to double crochet into the top of that first double crochet. So you want to make sure you grab that V right here. So we're going to yarn over and insert our hook into that stitch. We're going to pull through 2 loops, the V, and we're yarn over and pull through these 2, and we're going to yarn over and pull through 2 more. So now, as you can see, you've got a taller stitch than what you had when we had the half double crochet. And so let's go ahead and chain 2 again and turn our work. So now we're going to work row 3, and we're going to continue all the way across. So we're working back into this chain 2 space. We're going to yarn over and insert our hook into that chain 2 space. We're going to pull through that chain 2, and so now we've got 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through 2 more loops, and yarn over and pull through 2 more loops. Grab a little bit more yarn here. And then now we're going to go into our next stitch. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into that next stitch, and pull through. Now we're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops again. So let's do that one more time. So we're yarning over and inserting our hook into this 3rd stitch. We're yarning over and pulling through that stitch. Now we've got our 3 loops. We're going to pull through 2 of those, yarn over and pull through the last 2. So let's continue that all the way down to the very end of row 3, and you should still have a total of 10 double crochet. All right, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, hold on. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 7, 8, 9, and we're grabbing this very last stitch for 10. Now, as you can see, we've created a nice little square here, and our stitches are longer. So what you'll do is you'll just chain 2, turn your work, and then just continue on with this project, making it as long as you need to and practicing until your tension is pretty even and about the same on every single stitch throughout your project. Double crochet is a great stitch for blankets, also scarves, hats, everything like that. So once you master the double crochet, the half double crochet, and the single crochet, you basically can do any project that you want to. All right, so that's it for this video today. Make sure that you guys give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to ring that notification bell in order not to miss out on any of these fun tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.